I think as healthcare professionals, we are dealing every day, personally and professionally, with colleagues and with individuals who are from all over the world. People come with different customs, they come with their own culture, and this has real specific implications in our nursing practice and in healthcare. I think it's an imperative that we learn about each other and that we learn from each other.
I learned so much. I found the trip to be so valuable, and it was also wonderful to be able to work hand in hand with the nurses there, because the nurses to me were just amazing because they didn't have a lot to work with. And I think that they were even mainly the ones that were taking care of most patients, because there were very few doctors there to run the whole hospital.
It's very important when the students go down that they understand that it's not all about us going down to Paraguay to provide incredibly needed services to the Paraguayans. While we are doing that, we're bringing resources to them. Equally important, and maybe even more important, is that we learn from Paraguay and that we understand this is a true partnership. We're benefiting as much as Paraguayans are, possibly more.
It builds respect across professionals in nursing, which I think is really important for solving complex problems locally as well as abroad.
The Paraguayan people were wonderful. They were very welcoming. They really made you feel appreciated, and they made you feel very knowledgeable in what you provided and taught them, and you were valuable there.
The people that we met were so wonderful. I was kind of glowing for a couple of weeks afterwards because it was such a warm and productive exchange, and I think everyone left kind of a little bit more open to the world than when we went down there.
We have so much to learn from each other. There's actually a word too I always try and teach students before they leave. It's a Guarani word. It's rohaihu, and by the end of the trip, most all participants have heard it and they know it, and it means I love Paraguay. And so that's kind of what I'd like to leave the students with too, to understand you're going down to provide a service, but by the time you leave, you're going to be saying rohaihu Paraguay.